Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Vision channel. So friends, today I will talk about Ayaneo 3 handheld gaming console. So friend, Ayaneo has announced Ayaneo 3 handheld with featuring AMD design, and it offers two configurations, either the Ryzen 7 7840U and Ryzen AI 9 HX370, and the former is Hawk Point APU with 8th generation 4 core and Radeon 780M graphics based on RDNA 3 architecture, while the latter has 12 Gen 5 cores and new Radeon 890M graphics using RDNA 3.5 architecture, and all through the AMD Strix Point was launched in August. In the gaming handheld, unlike the prior models, the Phoenix and Phoenix 2 APU, the Z2 series is rumored to feature 3 architecture across Generation 3, Generation 4 and Generation 5 CPU, and RDNA 2, RDNA 3 and RDNA 3.5 GPU, and Ayaneo is already preparing to release more affordable console, which means that is upcoming Ayaneo 3 will not only feature Strix Point but also Hawk Point, and likely making it more budget friendly. And another notable feature, the Ayaneo 3 in this display, the company confirmed there is a both LCD and OLED option, and allowing a wide range of price point. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.